Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Corolla's air filter. First, ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch for safety. You'll need to locate the air filter housing, which is typically a black box near the engine. Gather a few basic tools, like a screwdriver or a small socket wrench, depending on your Corolla's model. Having a new air filter ready is also essential before you begin this simple maintenance task. Now that you've located the housing, it's time to open it up. Depending on your Corolla model, you'll either unclip a few metal fasteners or unscrew a couple of screws holding the cover in place. Gently lift the cover and carefully remove the old air filter. Take a moment to inspect the housing for any leaves, dust, or other debris that might have collected inside. A quick wipe with a cloth can help keep things clean. With the old filter out and the housing clean, it's time for the new one. Carefully place the new air filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and is oriented correctly. There's usually only one way it fits properly, so don't force it. Once the new filter is in place, reattach the housing cover, securing all clips or screws firmly. Double-check that the cover is sealed tightly to prevent unfiltered air from entering your engine. You've successfully replaced your Corolla's air filter. As a final step, start your engine and listen for any unusual sounds, ensuring everything is functioning as it should. It's a good practice to note the date of replacement, perhaps on the filter box or in your car's service log, so you know when to check it next. This simple maintenance can significantly improve your engine's performance and fuel efficiency. And speaking of smart choices, make sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.